mentioned, it's kind of like the twin of the Great American Eclipse. It might not be as powerful as that one, because look, the Great American Eclipse, the sun was exalted in Aries, y'all. I really need people to understand how powerful that eclipse was. It was at exalted. It's the sun is exalted in Aries. Where the sun was at in Aries is also exalted. That eclipse wasn't normal, y'all. That was really taking charge, new beginnings. Y'all know Aries is the sign of new beginnings. This is literally when life comes anew, the springtime. And when it's springtime, life becomes anew. But the sun does great, particularly in all fire signs. I might say that the sun prefers Aries and Leo a little bit more than Sagittarius, just a little bit. The sun still loves all fire signs, all right? And when the sun was in Aries, y'all, Mercury was in retrograde as well. So when it's a Mercury retrograde, you know that this is going to deal with remembering and reprocessing certain things. We're going to have a Mercury retrograde in about 6 weeks from now, 7 weeks in December, around there. And this eclipse, Mercury is going to be in Libra. That adds a bit of some type of diplomatic sensibility, because Mercury Astrostetics shows us that this is where the mind is at. This is what you're processing, how you process, how you go about figuring things out, analyzing, gaining detail, breaking things down to common ground. That's why in Astrostetics, we look at Mercury as the transmitter, what is being communicated. And we know that Mercury is the closest planet to the sun and also the closest planet to other planets, right? And astronomically, astrologically, and astrostetics, that's why we say that Mercury gets the word first. But when Mercury is in Libra, this diplomatic, relative point of the zodiac, this is all about how you navigate the other side. This is why Libras do so great with negotiation, even Tauruses as well. But Libra and Pisces are the most billionaires. Like Libra is first, most of the billionaires are Libras. Then the second is Pisces, all right? And look, shout out to my Pisces too. Pisces power, we in the building, all right? Libra, when you're playing with Libra, you're dealing with a whole new different dynamic. Libra is still governed by Venus, just like Taurus. This is why it's interesting. Taurus governs finances, but them Libras is most billionaires, but they're both governed by Venus. They both have Venusian dreams, okay? So you're still dealing with... Make sure y'all go on to easycomplex.com, amazon.com, barnesnobles.com. Check out the description of this video and pick up a copy of the 500-page sensation, Astrostetics, the Aesthetics of Astrology. Thank you. Venusian